Hi, my name is Ryan with RJ Groner, and one of our most frequently asked questions is what do we do during a typical maintenance? First thing we do when we approach a unit for maintenance, we're going to take a look around, do a visual inspection, look for any corrosion, moisture, water leaks. We do a visual inspection of our electrical components and wires, make sure everything's tight, there's no shorts. We have our heat kit back in there. We're going to do an amp draw test to make sure those are functioning properly. Next step is we're going to shut the power off. We're just going to do an inspection of our blower. This happens to be an electronic motor. I'm going to check our bearings, make sure there's no excessive play in our wheel motor. We're also going to do a visual inspection of our coil and our pan. Take a look at our air filter. 20 by 20 by 1. Keep that aside. We're going to do a quick visual inspection of the return ductwork and the return coil to see if it needs any further cleaning. All right, for this next test, we're going to power up our electronic leak detector. We're going to check this coil for leaks. And we have no leaks. Everything's looking good on this coil. One important step during a maintenance is making sure our drain is clear. We're going to do a visual check first. Looks like there's some debris in there. Use this brush to push it right out. One of the steps we're doing is checking our capacitors. We're going to compare the reading to the sticker on the side of the capacitor. Next tool we have is a megometer. It's used to check the windings and the life of the compressor to see if we're in good shape there. Got a green light, compressor's reading good. Next thing we're going to do is check the condenser coil. We're going to do a visual inspection. A lot of units are nearby pollens and trees, and if needed, come spring, we're going to get a garden hose out and flush all that out of there. We're also going to check the inside for leaves. If there's a lot of buildup in there, we're going to use a shop vac and clean that out. Last thing we did is we turned the system on at the thermostat. We're going to do a few tests and make sure the amp draws of the motors are okay. Now that our system's running, we're going to do an accurate check of the refrigerant levels. All right, so what we just completed was the average heating maintenance. Come here in the springtime soon. We're going to be using a little more cleaning in our maintenance. It involves washing out those coils, getting all that pollen out. Also a lot more cleaning up at the indoor unit that we covered earlier. If you'd like to proceed with any of our maintenances, just give our office a call and we'll be out to you.